salad, and I like green peppers and peas. What if I had a lot of salad? Would that be enough chlorophyll if you have a few salads a day, or not?
The least powerful salad is what most people drink. So the one that most people eat, the salad that most people eat, the lettuce that most people eat is the wrong lettuce, okay? So romaine would be rich in green. Other things are also rich. Like what would be another thing that would be very good for you and very rich for you? All right. So the food needs to be, spinach is loaded. So if your salad is only that what is that cabbage called? Not cabbage, the green rounded lettuce.
I always get mixed green
the
salad.
iceberg salad.
I don't use iceberg.
That's really has no nutritional value. So don't eat that. Eat a mixture of green. And you know how many servings of greens you need per day?
How many?
You need at least 12. Let's say 7. You know how many you're taking a day? Perhaps 1. Because you consider potatoes your vegetable. Potatoes are not your vegetables. Everybody eats potatoes as vegetable. Potatoes are not your vegetable. You need actual greens. And cruciferous vegetables are wonderful for you. Make sure if you're not able to, at least get you some chlorophyll or make juicing is going to be good. It's not only the spinach, but also different other greens that you can juice. So you got to be on the lookout for the green that you're getting. So make sure that now, why is greens good too? Because it's very loaded with magnesium. Magnesium is so important. Why is magnesium so important? Because magnesium helps your gut to move. Moving your gut is gut mobility and gut motility is so important, because if you're not cleaning your gut, you're gonna have atrophy of the villi, of your mucosa. You're not going to be able to absorb anything. You're not going to have any more brush borders that are loaded with enzymes. And especially if you like to eat carbohydrates. You can't eat carbohydrates if you don't have brush borders that are really having all these carbohydrate enzymes that are splitting your your sugar into glucose and lactose, or glucose and mannose, whatever. So you gotta be able to understand that everything you do is a choice, and every choice you do affects your gut. And every time you affect your gut, you affect your defense mechanism. When you affect your defense mechanism, you allow things in that are not supposed to go in, because you got a barrier here, and when that barrier is broken, every invader come in, and your body starts creating an antibody response, and then you say, I have joint pain. What is joint pain? Autoimmune disease. Why do you have them? Because you ate the wrong food for years. Does that make sense?